Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a ticket on Moodle. I'll show you how to create a ticket on Moodle. So once you are logged in, when you are on in your module, so you must see what you have to do. You must scroll down. You have to scroll down all the way down until you get to the this part here. Now when you are on this part, you must click where it say create a ticket. This here where it say create a ticket, then you click create a ticket. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, now once you'll be taken to a new screen where you can put in your details like this one. Now my email is Casa Afonso, full name. You can just use that one. Extension you just have to put where's this plus plus 264. Now here the topic, why are you creating that ticket? So lectures, course course linking, missing modules on Moodle, online examination issue, venue, and this other. So let me say you are creating it because you are not linked, or some modules are missing on your module. So not linked. So what you have to do, you must come and click on the second part here. Then once you are done, you can either reset it if you want. You can reset it, or you can cancel it. So here is the subject now. Details of the subject. Let me put like English for academics purposes. Missing or wrong in module. So student number, let me put in my student number 12956. Faculty or school. In this option, faculty of education. And the faculty of education, the program that you are doing, or the qualification. Let me say I'm doing let me say okay, lower primary. You click lower primary, the module, select all the module to be added. The modules that is oh yeah, see, sorry, here I made a mistake on the subject or the purpose of that. Subject is just missing or not linked on Moodle. That's the title. The subject. Here must study mode is full time, part time. Just full time. Here the module is English for academic. English for academic purposes is here with the code itself. So date that you registered, let me say register the 1 March. Okay, the issue not appearing on module. Others, please provide more. So now if you choose others, other, you have to provide the more details. So here, not appearing on module, center surround campus, and then the proof of registration. So you can attach your proof of registration that the yes, you registered. So once you are done, you can then now create, or yeah, you can hit this one button, create the ticket. So once you are done, the ticket it will be created for you. Okay, yeah, the ticket it will be created for you. So you just click create the ticket to load. Yeah, unable to create a ticket. Correct any error below. So which means we did not attach what this one proof of registration. So guys, that's how you create a ticket on Moodle. That's how you create a ticket on modules. And if you and the once creating the ticket, you if you want to check if it was attended or not, you have to come here where it says check status, check the ticket status. So you'll be given a reference number that you have to put in, like your email and the ticket number that they gave you. So once you are done, you will be logged inside. So thank you for your time.